Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to use Windows Copilot. So basically, Windows Copilot is a new feature added to Windows 11 and it was announced back in May 2023, and it brings the power of AI to Windows 11 along with the Bing chat capabilities. And both of these technologies are integrated in Windows Copilot feature. And if you are using the latest preview build of Windows Insider, Dev channel or developer channel, you will got this Windows Copilot Preview on your Windows 11 device. So here we are on the Windows 11 system. We have the latest preview build for Dev channel or developer channel, and Windows Copilot button is at the taskbar, and when you click on it you get this sidebar where you can ask complex questions to Windows. So I will start using a first question, and I just typed, how can I enable dark mode on Windows 11? Now this is basically the personal assistant on Windows 11 and slightly replacing the Cortana. So here you can see that it showed some steps or suggested some steps to enable dark mode. Then I asked it to enable the dark mode setting on the system, but it denied to make that change because it cannot make changes to the system settings. So it looks like a limitation for this tool. Initially it is in the preview version, so you can expect much changes to it when it comes to public version. Then I asked it to make me smile and it shared me a joke. Then I asked it to open an app like Google Chrome, but again it said sorry for that because it cannot open apps. Now I tried with another complex question like how much a single person trip costs from India to US, and it showed me some data from the web, and this is helpful when you are quickly looking for a complex question answer. Windows Copilot could be a great feature for you, and it also gives you some additional suggestions to your query so that you can cover up the topic completely. Now I asked another mathematical question like what is 18% of 699, and it just shared me the correct answer, which is quite good thing because sometimes you have complex question and you want to get answer quickly. Now I asked what is kapilari.com, that is about my own site, and it shared me some data from the web. So in this way here you can see that the Windows Copilot works as a great assistant for you on this Windows 11 system. Next I asked it to fix a complex issue on Windows 11, that is losing administrative rights, and it shared me some steps from the web. So in case if you are facing any particular issue on Windows 11, you can take the help of Windows Copilot as well, because it can share you the relevant steps to resolve some issues. Then I asked a simple question like what is the capital of Germany, and the answer is correct. Obviously it should be correct because the tool is using the AI and Bing chat in order to produce these answers and the relevant information you see here. So this was a simple workaround for the Windows Copilot tool and how you can use it. Stay tuned, we will be covering more videos on Windows Copilot. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.